is Ishita. I am studying in 6th class. I am from Ishita Tutorial Center. Today I am saying about squares. 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25, 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64, 9 square, 81, 10 square, 100, 11 square, 121, 12 square, 144, 13 square, 169, 14 square, 196, 15 square, 225, 16 square, 256, 17 square, 289, 18 square, 18 square, 324, 19 square, 361, 20 square, 400, 21 square, 441, 22 square, 484, 23 square, 529, 24 square, 576, 25 square, 625, 26 square, 676, 27 square, 729, 28 square, 784, 29 square, 841, 30 square, 900, 31 square, 961, 32 square, 1024, 33 square, 1089, 34 square, 1156, 35 square, 1225, 36 square, 1296, 37 square, 1369, 38 square, 1444, 37 square, 15, 39 square, 1521, 40 square, 1600. Thank you.